Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
If Excel crashes or refuses to open, start with a quick diagnosis. Hold Control while launching Excel to start in safe mode for testing. Open a blank workbook to confirm core Excel functionality without add-ins. Check the problematic file size and location immediately. Move files larger than 5 MB from network drives to a local drive for testing. Confirm whether Excel 64-bit versus 32-bit matters for large spreadsheets. Note recent changes like Windows updates or new add-ins that coincided with the failure. Apply common fixes in a systematic order to reduce wasted time. Open Excel account and choose Update options, then Update Now to install available Office updates. Disable COM add-ins under File, Options, Add-ins to isolate extension conflicts, and test again. Use Control Panel or Settings to run Quick Repair first. Use Online Repair if Quick Repair fails. Restart Windows for 30 seconds after repairs to clear memory and services. Reopen the problematic file to verify whether the issue is resolved. For persistent failures, use advanced recovery steps cautiously and methodically. Open an elevated command prompt and run sfc/scanno, then dism restore health to repair corrupted system files. Back up the registry before exporting and deleting Excel-related keys to reset preferences safely. Temporarily disable antivirus or add exclusion for the file to rule out blocking. Reinstall Office if repairs fail and sign in to Office 365 to restore settings. Finally,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.